Hi guys, welcome to Science in 5 again. In this video we're looking at simplifying trig expressions using reduction formula. And the first question we've got, we're asked to simplify to a single trig ratio. Okay, so since I can see that there is an angle there that is obtuse that I need to reduce to a single ratio, I'm going to quickly draw a cast diagram. All right. Where is this angle 210? 210 is in this quadrant. And in this quadrant, we know that this is a 180 degrees plus theta. And since it's the cos, we can simplify this to negative cos theta. Okay, so I'm going to write there now, this is the same as 1 minus cos of 30 degrees times the 1 minus the cos of, it's going to be 180 plus, to get to 210, it's going to be 30 degrees. Right? In my next line, I now know this is the same as 1 minus cos of 30 degrees times 1 minus. Now the cos of 180 plus 30 degrees becomes negative cos 30. Okay? Negative and a negative will give me a positive there. So I now end up with 1 minus cos 30 times 1 plus cos 1 plus cos of 30. Multiplying out, this gives me 1 minus cos squared of 30 degrees. Now, the 1 minus cos squared 30, I've seen this before. We spoke of the Pythagorean identity in one of our videos, where we said the cos squared x plus the sine squared x is equal to 1. Subtract cos squared x from both sides, you discover that sine squared x is equal to 1 minus cos squared x. So, this is the same as sine squared of 30. Now, sine 30 is a special angle. It's a special angle. And it's equal to the special angle. How do you remember what sine 30 is? Well, I always say a right angle triangle. There's my 30 degrees. There's my 60 degrees. Okay. Sine of 30 is going to be 1 over 2, a half. Okay. I always remember that sine of 30 is a half. Then I can actually work out what cos 30 is or sine 60 is. So sine of 30 is going to be a half. So this becomes a half squared. This becomes a quarter. Okay, so that is how you can simplify this expression using the idea of reduction formula. Remember also the idea of special angles comes in handy as well when you're simplifying these problems. Okay. All right. We're going to move on to another problem in the next video. So this one is done. It would be nice if you can follow all the introductory problems we have before we move on to another section of trig. Okay. All right. So I'll see you guys in the next video.